might already be familiar with the incredibly popular Tesla Model Y, a top-selling electric car on the market for some time now. However, Tesla plans to release a newer version of this vehicle, the Model Y Plus, in 2024. According to a confidential source, the Model Y Plus is expected to have even better performance and features than the current model. There's a lot of excitement surrounding this new model. People are speculating about its range and how it will impact the electric car market. As an electric car enthusiast, what makes a Model Y Plus so special, and why is it expected to shake up the electric car market? The Model Y Plus is expected to be a mid-size electric vehicle that combines the sleek design, advanced technology, and high-performance features that Tesla has become famous for. There are a lot of rumors circulating about the Model Y Plus. Still, we can expect it to be an even more impressive vehicle than the current Model Y. One of the most significant questions surrounding the Model Y Plus is how much it will cost. Tesla is known for making high-quality, high-performance electric vehicles, which are often expensive. It remains to be seen how much the Model Y Plus will cost, but we can expect it to be in the same price range as other high-end electric cars. Overall, the Model Y Plus generates a lot of buzz in the electric car community, and it's easy to see why. With its advanced features, sleek design, and high-performance capabilities, it's sure to be a game-changer in the electric car market. The upcoming Model Y Plus is expected to be priced in the mid to high $60,000 range, positioning it as a premium electric SUV that sits between the affordability of the base Model Y and the high-end luxury of the Model S. This pricing strategy reflects the top-of-the-line features and performance that the Model Y Plus will offer, making it a competitive choice for those who want a premium electric car without breaking the bank. The Model Y Plus is not only expected to offer premium pricing, still it is also anticipated to come equipped with cutting-edge specifications that will set it apart from other electric SUVs in the market. One of its most impressive features will be its range, which is expected to exceed that of the current Model Y. The Model Y Plus is rumored to have a range of up to 400 miles, a significant improvement over the Model Y's current maximum range of 326 miles. This improvement in range can be attributed to a larger battery pack, optimized aerodynamics, and an enhanced powertrain. In addition to its impressive range, the Model Y Plus is expected to offer a remarkable acceleration reminiscent of the Model S. The Model Y Plus is expected to achieve a 0 to 60 mph time of around 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric SUVs in the market. This performance is made possible by combining an advanced powertrain and optimized aerodynamics, which will help the vehicle achieve maximum efficiency. The Model Y Plus is poised to significantly impact the electric SUV market with its combination of premium pricing and cutting-edge features. With its improved range and impressive acceleration, the Model Y Plus is sure to be a top contender for those in the market for a high-performance electric SUV. All Tesla lovers are looking forward to whether the 4680 Super battery will be installed in new models. That is good news for everyone, as Tesla recently introduced the 4680 battery cells. The Model Y Plus could use this battery technology to achieve greater range and performance. The Model Y Plus could be equipped with a battery pack that uses the 4680 cells, which are larger and more energy dense than the 2170 cells used in the current Model Y and Model S. This could result in a significantly improved range of over 500 miles on a single charge, while also providing better acceleration and handling. The 4680 battery pack can also support ultra-fast charging, allowing the Y Plus to quickly recharge at the Tesla Supercharger network or other compatible charging station. Regarding pricing, the Model Y Plus could be positioned as premium. Still, the Model Y Plus with a 4680 battery pack could represent the next electric vehicle's performance, efficiency, and technology level. Why does the Model Y interior make it a premium yet minimalist SUV? Tesla is known for its luxurious and spacious interior, and the Model Y Plus would incorporate some of those features. The Model Y Plus could have a minimalist yet elegant interior design with a large touchscreen display and premium leather and wood trim materials. The vehicle could also have ample legroom and cargo space, making it practical for daily use and road trips. At what time is Elon Musk expected to announce the release of the Model Y Plus to the market? There's leaked information that the Model Y Plus will launch in 2024. Several factors led to the decision to launch at that time. First, the Model Y Plus would be built using the new 4680 battery cell, offering significant improvements in energy density, range, and overall performance compared to previous models. Secondly, by 2024, supercharger stations are expected to be even more available, making it easier for customers to charge their vehicles on their long trips. Finally, the Model Y Plus will be a more complete, advanced version of the Model Y with additional features and capabilities that will set it apart from the previous model. These factors, along with the continued growth of the electric vehicle market, make 2024 the ideal time to launch the Tesla Model Y. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has expressed confidence in manufacturing the upcoming Model Y Plus, which will utilize cutting-edge technology and streamlined processes. According to Musk, this model will be produced at Tesla's Giga Berlin, Giga Texas, and Giga Shanghai factories. Each factory will be tailored to local conditions to ensure the Model Y Plus is manufactured efficiently and sustainably. Moreover, Tesla is dedicated to continually improving its factories, optimizing them to make the production process more efficient. The company understands that the car's condition upon delivery is crucial to customer satisfaction and is committed to ensuring that the Model Y Plus is delivered in the best possible condition. Tesla's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction is evident in its plans for the Model Y Plus and its factories worldwide. To achieve this, Tesla will utilize various delivery options, including direct delivery to customers and local pickup at a Tesla service center. This will ensure that customers receive their Model Y Plus promptly and conveniently. Finally, Tesla is committed to ensuring that the Model Y Plus is a truly global vehicle. To achieve this, the company will adapt the vehicle to local conditions, ensuring that it is well suited to the regions where it will be sold. This includes adapting to local regulations and optimizing the vehicle's battery and other components for the specific climate conditions of each region. That is our video for today. We hope you like it. What do you think of Tesla's new model? Will the Model Y Plus become the perfect version of the Model Y? Share all of your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Well, that's all for now. This is Big Tech Media. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.